Hello colleagues, hello viewers, and welcome once again to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to deploy a local WordPress site on Openshift. So in order to kick off, we need to know what Openshift is all about. So Openshift is a platform as a service or PaaS which allows you to serve your application. Openshift offers the abilities to deploy your local or any of your web applications code using a library of predefined platform images that build your environment. So as a developer building your website, you don't need to worry about the platform you use because it's going to be taken care of by Openshift. So to get started, this is my a WordPress site I created called Amisqt with my group members. So this website is all about fashion clothes, customers placing orders on their types of wares they want. It has male costumes, it has female costumes, and with the price, the customers can place an order, can also decide to choose the number of clothes he wants. And we are also, the website was also built in a way that we have partners with Jumia. As you can see, this is a Jumia official website. So this is a card that customers can, as you can see, I have nothing on my card. He needs to go back to the shop and place an order. So it's just an e-business website. So in order to do that, firstly, this is my Amisqt's dashboard. So this dashboard is my WordPress dashboard for Amisqt. So I can visit the store, I can visit the site. As you can see, it comes with plugins, it comes with themes, and also some tools too. So in order to export and import your WordPress application, firstly you need to download a plugin called All-in-One WP Migration. This will allow you to export and import your WordPress application. So in order to do that, you have to click on plugins. Clicking on plugins, that is where you have to download the All-in-One API Migration. After you have installed it, you need to activate it so that you can save the changes. So it's still loading. Okay, now this is as you can see, I already installed mine. So you just come and check on All-in-One. All-in-One migration. So it's still loading. Still loading. So once you are in plugin, you click on add new. On add new, you type on the keyword search on the search bar All-in-One migration. So it says move, transfer, and copy, migrate, and backup site with one click. So it's quick and easy for you. So you just have to, this is a beautiful logo, you click on install it. So I won't have to do it because I've already done it and activated it. So once you have done that, you come and click on export. Since you want to export our WordPress site. Okay, so having clicked on export, you click on this bar, you click file. Once you click file, it's going to prepare all your uploads. And once he has prepared, it's going to prepare to you all your files and back them up into one file that you can download. So which will be estimated to about some megabytes. So having done that, this file is going to be saved in your download directory. As you can see, this is mine, which is being saved to my local machine. So that's my site which I just exported, which is about 188 megabytes. So having done that, now we move in to Openshift. So in order to create an account with Openshift, you just go to the Openshift website, openshift.com. You register, and if you don't have an account, you can create one. Openshift allows you to so it gives you 2 rooms to create a project. That is, it gives 1 room to create 1 project, and gives you to create 2 projects with the second project, which is about some dollars which you need to pay. So Openshift is very easy to use, and it can help you also deploy your site. As you can see, it comes with many types of languages and database. We have the net core, you have PHP. So this is an account which I have, my account which I just registered in. So in order to move on, the WordPress site that I built, right? WordPress actually runs on PHP and MySQL. So in order to do that, first we need to create a project. So when we create a project, let's say the name of the group, let me call it group project, since I did work with my group members. Let's say my WordPress site. So you can also give a description. You can say actually it's not necessary. So I just give a little bit of description. I think it's a platform to help fashion designers sell and market their products online. So we create okay, it's already in use. Group, okay, I've already used a name. WordPress. Good. Okay, let's say name group WordPress. Okay, so you can see the project. My WordPress site was successfully created. So we just have to go now first to click on this WordPress site. You can still edit the project, you can still delete the project, you can view the membership. So we just click on that. It brings you now to my WordPress site, which your name you gave. So as you can see, it has the applications, the resources, and what have you. So WordPress comes with many features. So it also tells you to get started with your project. So in order to do that, first we have to get into the browsing catalog. And in the browsing catalog, as you can see, you click on your browsing catalog, you select an item to add to your current project. So what are we selecting? Since WordPress is built on PHP and MySQL, and having chosen a free trial which gives me a 60-day deployment, and firstly we have to create MySQL. Click on MySQL. Okay, MySQL database service, you can also read about this information. You click on next. Okay, as you can see, the memory limit is 512 MB. The name is Openshift, you don't have to change that. Now click on this other side, or just click on WordPress, and database name WordPress 2. So still in MySQL, there are 4 things we need to change, which is your MySQL connection username, which you can give it as WordPress, MySQL connection password, WordPress, username, WordPress, database name, WordPress. I can see it gives you the limit is 1 GB and it has a version. So having done that, we click on create. Okay, you see now our MySQL has been created. You click on continue to view project overview. Okay, to create deployment, the deployment is still pending. Just have to hold on for a while. Okay, so as you can see, once you have created your MySQL, you come to click on overview. So in overview, if this port has to be up and running, as you can see, it's running. So you can click, you can deploy, edit and view the logs. View the logs here will actually show you the errors that are, if in case there are errors in the system, you can view and for reference, and it can also help you see the actual activities you have been doing. So logs are very important. So now we need to link this MySQL now with the PHP. This is the MySQL database. So you click on add to project, browse catalog. Now we look for the PHP section. You click on PHP. Click next. So the application name we gave it was okay, so in the application name, give it as WordPress. Now the GitHub repository, now you should actually go to the github.com WordPress repository site. So you type in github.com/WordPress. So as you can see, this is the WordPress site. You look for WordPress, you click on WordPress. So now on this, you click clone or downloads, you copy this link. So I've copied the link, you come and paste it in the Git repository. Once you have done that, you click on create. So once you have the GitHub repository, you can also go for an advanced option. I also would like to test some settings there too. So we click on create. So you say your WordPress has been created in my WordPress successfully. We click continue to the project overview. So as you can see, you can click on that to actually expand it and see what it is doing. So if you click here now, take us to the link. So now no application is being deployed. So as you can see, no application is being deployed. So it tells you, it gives you a specification on the amount of memory and the amount of CPU usage being consumed by the database. And also here, as you can see, it tells you no deployment have been made here. So in our next video, we are going to continue from here.